1, 2, 3, funk it.
Welcome to the art of Lippan. Let's begin. Step 1 is to find the center of our MDF board. To find the center of our circular MDF board, we can use two methods. One way is to cut a circle from newspaper to match the board size and fold it twice and then mark the center of the board. Alternatively, we can draw two chords of the circle and mark center of both the chords. Now, by using a protractor, we are going to draw a perpendicular line to both the center of the chords to create a perpendicular bisector. Now we have to find the intersection point which marks the center. Here you can observe that by both the methods we achieve the same center. Step 2 is designing. We'll create our design. Start by sketching a rough outline or take a reference from internet. Now, to divide the circle in segments, we are going to fold the newspaper as many segments we want and mark on the creases. When we are done marking the creases, we will join the opposite marks to draw a line, and we will continue it as we want to divide the circle into segments. Now that we have already decided the design or taken the reference from internet, according to that, keep the mirror on the board and take the measurement with the help of a compass to divide the board into circle according to the design. This is my reference design and I am drawing the circles accordingly. Now to divide the circle into grids, we'll use a protractor to mark the angles and join the lines so that design making becomes easy to us. The grids being on the MDF board ensures the uniformity of designs. To draw any design, count the grids and accordingly draw designs. Like to draw the first leaf, I have drawn each leaf within 2 grids and the leaf above that is drawn within 4 grids. Each of the lotus design is drawn between 2 bigger leaves. And each of the heart shape is drawn exactly above the lotus design. To work with clay, get a board and sprinkle some powder so it doesn't stick to the surface. And while mixing the resin and hardener, don't combine them all at once. Instead of mix small portions according to your work pace to avoid the clay hardening too quickly. To roll out the clay, evenly use a flat surface like I have used another small MDF board and start rolling from one corner moving to the other and measure the diameter of each clay string with a scale to ensure uniformity. And finally attach these strings to the board using Fevicol as shown in the video. We are done doing the clay work on the MDF board, which I consider is the most crucial part of this whole Lippan Art process. Everything further will be easier and fun. Step 4 is painting the board. Begin by applying a base coat of white gesso or acrylic paint to the entire board. This helps the other colors to pop and ensures a smooth finish. Once dry, you can paint according to your preference. Also, I would like to mention, when you're done painting the MDF board, paint the clay strings to hide the paint spills while painting the board. Now, strategically place mirrors on the board to add a touch of elegance. Using dotting tools, add intricate details to enhance the overall design. These tools are easily available on Meesho. The dot work with the white acrylic paint adds a beautiful finishing touch to your Lippan art piece.